Hey everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide on 7 Corners Insurance. I'm Nick, and today we will be diving deep into various insurance plans offered by 7 Corners, how to choose the right one, and steps to purchase and claim your insurance. Whether you are planning for your next trip or looking for a medical coverage abroad, then this video tutorial will provide you with all the information you need. So without taking much time, let's get started. So guys, let's first understand 7 Corners Insurance, its background, history of 7 Corners. All right, so 7 Corners Insurance is a company that specializes in providing travel insurance and specialty benefit plans. Established in 1993, 7 Corners offers a variety of insurance products designed to protect travelers, international students, and global citizens. Their offerings include travel insurance for single trips and annual multiple trip plans, international medical insurance, student insurance for those studying abroad, and specialized plans for government contractors and agencies. The company aims to deliver comprehensive coverage including medical expenses, trip cancellations, lost baggages, and emergency evacuations, ensuring peace of mind for travelers worldwide. Now in 1993, 7 Corners was established, focusing on travel insurance and specialty benefits. From the beginning, their aim was to offer comprehensive coverage tailored to the needs of travelers and expatriates. Now early 2000, the company expanded its product offerings to include international medical insurance and student insurance, catering to the growing demand for specialized coverage for global travelers and students. Now in 2005, 7 Corners introduced government solutions, providing insurance plans specifically designed for government contractors and agencies working overseas. Now 2010, company invested in technology to enhance customer experience, launching user-friendly online platforms for purchasing insurance and filing claims. They also expanded their global network of medical providers and emergency assistance service. Now in 2018, 7 Corners rebranded to reflect their commitment to innovation and customer service with a refreshed logo and a new website offering improved navigations and more resources for customers. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, 7 Corners adapted their products to include coverage for pandemics and epidemics, addressing the new risk faced by travelers. Now present day, 7 Corners continues to innovate and expand, offering a wide range of insurance products designed to meet the evolving needs of travelers, expatriates, and international students. They maintain a strong focus on customer service, providing 24/7 support and comprehensive assistance services. Throughout its history, 7 Corners has maintained a commitment to protecting travelers and providing peace of mind through reliable, comprehensive insurance solution. Now, types of insurance plans. 7 Corners Insurance offers a variety of insurance plans tailored to meet the needs of different types of travelers and global citizens. Here is a detailed look at their primary insurance plans. Number 1, travel insurance. A, single trip insurance. Coverage, medical expenses, trip cancellations, trip interruption, baggage loss, and emergency evacuation. Ideal for individuals or families traveling for a single trip, whether for leisure, businesses, or other purposes. B. Annual multi-trip insurance. Now, coverage similar to single trip insurance but covers multiple trips within a year. Now, ideal for frequent travelers who take multiple trips annually. Now, 2. Medical insurance. A. International medical insurance. Coverage: comprehensive medical benefits including hospital stays, outpatient visits, prescriptions, and emergency medical evacuation. Ideal for expats, long-term travelers, and individuals working abroad who needs continuous medical coverage outside their home country. Number 3. Student insurance. A. Insurance for international students. Coverage: medical benefits, mental health coverage, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation. Ideal for students studying abroad or international students studying in the United States, providing them with essential health coverage during their studies. Now, number 4, government solution. A. Government contractor insurance. Coverage: health insurance tailored for government contractors working overseas, including medical benefits, evacuations, and repatriation. Ideal for government contractors and employees who need specialized coverage due to the nature of their work abroad. Number 5. Specialty plans. A. Missionary insurance. Coverage: medical benefits, evacuations, and repatriation specifically designed for missionaries. Ideal for missionaries traveling internationally for their work. B. Group travel insurance. Coverage: customized coverage for groups traveling together, including medical benefits, trip cancellations, and emergency services. Ideal for groups such as tour groups, corporate teams, or large families traveling together. Emergency medical evacuation covers the cost of emergency transportation to the nearest suitable medical facility. Trip cancellation interruption reimburses non-refundable expenses if a trip is cancelled or interrupted due to covered reasons. Lost baggages. Compensations for lost, stolen, or damaged baggages and personal items. 24/7 travel assistance. Access to emergency assistance services, including medical referrals, travel advisories, and more. Seven Corners Insurance aims to provide comprehensive and flexible insurance solution to ensure travelers and expatriates have the necessary coverage and supports, no matter whether their journey takes them. No matter where their journey takes them. Now, key differences and benefits. Single trip versus annual multi-trip insurance. Now, single trip is ideal for occasional travelers, one-time coverage. Annual multiple trip, best for frequent travelers, continuous coverage for multiple trips. Now, travel insurance versus medical insurance. Travel insurance focuses on trip-related issues, cancellations, baggages, etc., along with medical emergency. Medical insurance provides comprehensive health coverage for long-term stay abroad. Now, student insurance versus government contractor insurance. Student insurance, designed for young adults studying abroad, includes mental health coverage, Government contractor insurance, tailored for government employees, emphasizes comprehensive medical and evacuation services. Specialty plans, missionary and group travels. Missionary insurance, specific to missionaries' unique needs, long-term, mission-focused coverage. Group travel insurance, convenient for groups, uniform coverage for multiple travelers. How to choose the right plan. Tips for selecting the best coverage. Destination. Different regions have varying medical cost and risk. Duration. Length of stay abroad can influence the type of coverage needed. Purpose of travel. Vacation, businesses, study, or missionary work. Personal health. Pre-existing conditions and personal health requirements. Frequency of travel. Single trip versus multiple trips per year. By comparing these plans and coverage options, travelers can select the most suitable insurance plans that align with their specific needs and travel circumstances. Now, factors to consider when choosing a right plan. Selecting the best coverage from Seven Corners Insurance involves careful consideration of various factors to ensure you have the protection you need. Here are some tips to help you make an informed decision. Number one, assess your needs. Understand your specific requirements based on factors like destinations, duration of travel, activities planned, and personal health considerations. Number two, review policy details. Carefully read the policy documents to understand what is covered and what is not. Pay attention to coverage limits, exclusions, and any optional add-ons available. Number three, consider your health. If you have pre-existing medical conditions or require specialized medical care, ensure that the policy provides adequate coverage for your healthcare needs. Number four, evaluate coverage limits. Check the maximum limits for medical expenses, emergency evacuation, trip cancellation interruption, baggage loss, and other benefits to ensure they meet your needs. Number five, look for comprehensive coverage. Choose a plan that offers comprehensive coverage for a wide range of potential risks, including medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggages, and other unexpected events. Number six, access emergency assistance services. Confirm that insurance provider offers 24/7 emergency assistance services, including medical referrals, travel advisories, and assistance with claims processing. Number seven, compare plans. Compare different insurance plans offered by Seven Corners based on coverage options, benefits, exclusions, and premiums to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Number eight, check customer reviews. Look for reviews and feedback from other travelers who have used Seven Corners Insurance to gauge their satisfaction with the coverage, claim process, and customer service. Number nine, consider add-ons or upgrades. Explore optional add-ons or upgrades that may enhance your coverage, such as adventure sports coverage, rental car insurance, or increased coverage limits for specific benefits. Number 10, consult with an expert. If you are unsure about which plan is best for you, consider consulting with an insurance agent or travel expert who can provide personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. By following these tips and conducting thorough research, you can select the best coverage from Seven Corners Insurance that meets your specific needs and provides you with peace of mind during your travels. Now, let's move to the next slide. Importance of reading policies. Now, this is very, very, very important, guys. You have to read the policy carefully. And why it is important, let's understand. Now, reading policy details in Seven Corners Insurance or any insurance policies for that matter is crucial for several reasons. Number one, I'm going to give you the reasons, okay? Number one, understanding coverage. Policy details outline what is covered and what is not covered by your insurance plans. This ensures that you have a clear understanding of the extent of your coverage, including benefits, limits, and exclusion. Right? So this is very, very important. Point number one, reason number one, understanding coverage. Okay? Now, let's move to the point number two, making informed decision. By reviewing policy details, you can make informed decision about which insurance plans best suits your needs. You can compare different plans based on coverage options, benefits, and premiums to choose the one that provides the most comprehensive coverage for your specific circumstances. Now, reason number three, why it is important, okay? Reason number three, avoiding surprises. Now, policy details reveal any limitations or exclusions that may affect your coverage. By being aware of these conditions upfront, you can avoid surprises later on when filing a claim or seeking reimbursement for expenses that may not be covered, guys. Remember, very, very, very important. And that's why, I have seen most of my friends, my colleague, they get surprises. The reason why? Because they don't read the policy details, right? So don't miss that. These are the reasons which I'm explaining you step by step. Reason number one, reason number two, reason number three. Reason number one is understanding coverage. Reason number two, making informed decision. Reason number three, avoiding surprises. Okay, now let's move to reason number four. Now, understanding responsibilities, guys. Policy details also outline your responsibilities as the insured party, such as reporting accident promptly, providing necessary documentation for claims processing, and adhering to any specific requirements outlined in the policies. Now, 5. Clarifying terms and condition. Okay, insurance policies often contain complex terminology and legal language. Reading policy details allow you to clarify any terms or conditions that you may not fully understand, ensuring that you are aware of your rights and obligations under the policy. Now, number 6, maximizing benefits. By understanding your coverage in detail, you can maximize the benefits provided by your insurance plans. This may include taking advantage of preventive care services, knowing how to access emergency assistance when needed, and understanding the process for filing claims efficiently. I hope now you got to know the importance of reading policies, right? Again, I'm telling you, there are many people who miss out, right? Because of the difficult terminologies. They don't read it, they just go through it, and they just don't go through it, and they get with it. So don't make such mistakes. I have given you point number 1, understanding coverage. Point number 2, making informed decision. Point number 3, avoiding surprises. Point number 4, understanding responsibilities. Number 5, clarifying terms and conditions. Number 6, maximizing benefits. All right. So now, number 7, peace of mind. Ultimately, reading policy details provide peace of mind, knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to protect yourself financially in the event of unexpected circumstances during your travels. It allows you to travel with confidence, knowing that you are adequately covered by your insurance plans. In the summary, reading policy details in 7 Corners Insurance is essential for understanding your coverage, making informed decisions, avoiding surprises, fulfilling responsibilities, clarifying terms and conditions, maximizing benefits, and ultimately ensuring peace of mind while traveling. Now, I have repeatedly explained it to you, 3 to 4 times, so you won't make the mistakes, right? Now, let's move to the next slide and next topic: how to purchase a plan. How to purchase a plan. Now, purchasing a plan from 7 Corners Insurance is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide. Number 1, visit the 7 Corners website. Start by visiting the official 7 Corners website at www.7corners.com. You can also type on Google search and click. You will find this website. Click there and get into the website. Now, number 2, navigate to the insurance plans. Now, browse through the different insurance plans offered by 7 Corners, such as travel insurance, medical insurance, student insurance, and specialty plans. So you can navigate the insurance plans in the website, guys. All right. Now let's move to the point number 3. Step number 3. Select your plan. Now, once you visit the website, second, you navigate the different insurance plans. Select one which you found interesting or which you like, that this is the insurance plan for me. Okay, then select your plan. That is step number 3. Choose the insurance plan that best fits your needs based on factors such as destination, duration of travel, and coverage requirements. Step number 4, enter travel details. Now you have to enter your travel details. Provide information about your trip, including travel dates, destinations, and any additional travelers to be included on the policy. I'm so sorry. So I will repeat it one more time. Step number 4, enter travel details. Provide information about your trips, including travel dates, destination, and any additional travelers to be included on the policy. Now, step number 5, review coverage options. Review the coverage options available for the selected plan, including benefits, coverage limits, and any optional add-ons or upgrades. So this is step number 5 you have to follow. Now, step number 6, customize your plans if applicable. Customize your plan by selecting any additional add-ons or upgrades that you may require, such as adventure sports coverage, rental car insurance, or increased coverage limits for specific benefits. Now, step number 7, enter personal information. Provide your personal information, including your name, contact details, date of birth, and any other required information for the policy holders and additional travelers. Step number 8, review policy terms and conditions. Now, review the policy terms and conditions, including any limitations, exclusions, and responsibilities as the insured party. Number 9, agree to the terms and conditions. Acknowledge that you have read and agree to the terms and condition of the insurance policy. Acknowledge that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the insurance policy. Now, step number 10, complete payment. Make the payment for the selected insurance plans using the available payment methods such as credit card, debit card, or electronic bank transfer. Now, step number 11, receive confirmation. Upon successful completion of the purchase process, you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your insurance policy, including policy numbers, coverage dates, and emergency contact information. Step number 12, access policy documents. Access and download your insurance policy documents from your 7 Corners account dashboard or via confirmation email. All right. Now, let me, repeat it one more time for you so that you don't forget it. Okay. How to purchase a plan, and I have given you step-by-step information, right? Step-by-step process. Number 1, visit your 7 Corner website. Number 2, navigate to the insurance plans. Number 3, select your plan. Number 4, enter travel details. Number 5, review coverage option. Number 6, customize your plan if applicable. Number 7, enter personal information. Number 8, review policy terms and condition. Number 9, agree to the terms and conditions. Number 10, complete payment. Number 11, receive confirmation. Number 12, access policy documents, guys. Now, by following these steps, you can easily purchase a plan from 7 Corners Insurance and obtain the coverage you need for your travels. If you have questions or need assistance during the purchase process, 7 Corners customer support is available to help. So guys, after following these steps, even that, if you have questions, the customer service is available. You can avail that service. You can take advantage of the customer support of 7 Corners Insurance. All right. Now, let's understand the claim process, guys. Okay. Filing a claim with 7 Corners Insurance is designed to be as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. Here is a step-by-step guide to claim process. Okay. Number 1, notify 7 Corners. That's the step number 1. Notify 7 Corners. In the event of an emergency or covered incident, notify 7 Corners as soon as possible. You can reach their claims departments through the contact information provided on their website or in your insurance policy documents. That's your step number 1. Notify 7 Corners, guys. Important. Step number 2, gather necessary documentation. Collect all relevant documentation to support your claim. This may include medical bills, receipt for expenses incurred, policy reports if applicable, travel itinerary, and any other documentation required by Seven Corners. That is step number 2, gather necessary documentation. Now, step number 3, submit claim form. Complete the appropriate claim form provided by Seven Corners. You can typically find claim forms on their website or request them from their customer service team. Fill out the form accurately and include all required information. My bad, I'm sorry. I will repeat it one more time. Number 3, submit claim form. Complete the appropriate claim form provided by Seven Corners. You can typically find claim forms on their website or request them from the customer service team. Fill out the form accurately and include all required information. That's step number 3, very important. Now, point number 4, attach supporting documents. Along with the claim form, attach copies of all supporting documents such as medical bills, receipt, and any other relevant paperwork. Make sure to keep the originals from your record. Okay, I will repeat it one more time. Point number 4, attach supporting documents. Along with the claim form, attach copies of all supporting documents such as medical bills, receipt, and any other relevant paperwork. Make sure to keep the originals for your records. Number 5, submit claim package. Send the completed claim form and supporting documents to Seven Corners via email, fax, or mail, as instructed by their claim department. Include your policy numbers and other identifying information to ensure proper processing. Point number 6, wait for processing. Once Seven Corners receive your claim package, their claim team will review the documentation and process your claim accordingly. They may reach out to you for additional information or clarification if needed. So sometimes, guys, the processing time they take a little bit more time for processing. So you have to wait, wait for the processing. Don't worry if it's taking time. They were reviewing your paperwork, all right? Now, point number 7, receive decision. Now, you will be notified of the decision on your claim once it has been processed. Okay, sometimes, as I said, it takes time, but once it's processed, you will be notified of the decision on your claim. Okay, this typically includes information on whether your claim has been approved and the amount of reimbursement, if applicable. Okay, now point number 8, receive payment. If your claim is approved, Seven Corners will issue payment for the approved amount via the method specified in your policy. This may include a direct deposit, check, or other electronic payment method. Right? So this is point number 8. Now, point number 9, follow up if necessary. Okay? If you have any questions or concerns about the status of your claim, don't hesitate to reach out to Seven Corners customer service for assistance. They can provide updates on the process. They can provide updates on the progress of your claim and addresses any issues that may arise. So if there is any issues or if they need any piece of information because of the process is impending, okay, so they will let you know. Okay, if you have any question, do the Point number 9, follow up. Contact the 7 Corner customer service for assistance. Okay. Now, by following these steps and providing all necessary documentation, you can ensure a smooth and efficient claim process with 7 Corners Insurance. Remember to keep copies of all documents for your records, and don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service team if you need assistance at any point during the process. Okay, now let's move to the customer support and resources. Now, 7 Corners Insurance prioritize customer support and offers a range of resources to assist policyholders before, during, and after their travels. Here is an overview of their customer support services and resources. Number 1, 24/7 assistance. 7 Corners provides around-the-clock customer support to assist policyholders with emergency, claims inquiries, and general assistance. This ensures that help is available whenever it's needed, regardless of time zone or location. Now, point number 2, dedicated support teams. They have dedicated teams of customer service representatives and claims specialists who are knowledgeable about their insurance products and can provide personalized assistance to policyholders. Number 3, contact options. Policyholders can reach 7 Corners customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and online chat. Contact information is readily available on their website and in policy documents for easy access. Point number 4, online resources. 7 Corners offers a comprehensive online resources center with frequently asked questions, travel tips, destinations guides, and other helpful information to assist travelers in planning their trips and understanding their insurance coverage. Point number 5, claims assistance. Policyholders can rely on 7 Corners claim department for assistance with filing claims, tracking claim status, and resolving any issues that may arise during the claim process. Claim representatives are available to guide policyholders through each step of the process and ensure timely resolution. Number 6, policy management. 7 Corners provides online account management tools that allow policyholders to access their policy documents, update personal information, renew policies, and make payments conveniently through their secure online portal. Now, point number 7, travel assistance services. In addition to insurance coverage, 7 Corners offers travel assistance services such as medical referrals, emergency medical evacuation, translation services, and travel advisories to help policyholders navigate unexpected situations while traveling. Number 8, educational materials. 7 Corners publishes educational materials and blog posts on topics related to travel safety, health, and insurance to help policyholders stay informed and make informed decisions about their travel plans and insurance coverage. Now, overall, 7 Corners is committed to providing exceptional customer support and resources to ensure that policyholders have a positive experience and receive the assistance they need throughout their travels. Whether it's answering questions, providing guidance, or offering emergency assistance, Seven Corners strives to be a reliable partner for travels around the world. Now guys, I would like to share my experience. It's not my experience, but my friends, my colleagues' experience. So I asked these questions to them. It's always good, whichever company you are dealing with, you should know how their customer support, their services are, right? So I spoke to 2 to 3 people, my friends, my colleagues, that how is the customer support, customer service of Seven Corners. And guys, the feedback which they gave to me was amazing. They said they are very quick when giving the feedback, when answering or solving problems. If you have issues, you don't need to wait for a long time. The representatives are available. So overall, the feedback which my friends, my colleagues, they gave me was quite positive, and that's the reason I thought of just making a video tutorial on this topic, on this subject. So Seven Corners Insurance is the right choice as per me. Okay, that's my feedback which I'm giving you. All right, so let's move to next slide, and that is frequently asked questions on Seven Corners Insurance. Now, there are many people who have questions, and many people have the same questions. That's why we say frequently asked questions. So what are those questions? Okay, so I will read the questions and I will also give the answers to those questions, right? So question number 1: what types of insurance does Seven Corners offers? Basic question. Okay, anybody who is watching this video will understand the different types of insurance, okay, which Seven Corners offers. But still, this is the question most of them have. So the answer to the question is Seven Corners offers a variety of insurance products, including travel medical insurance, covers the medical expenses, emergency evacuations, and more while traveling abroad. Trip protection insurance provides coverage for trip cancellations, interruptions, delays, and lost baggages. Student travel insurance designed for students studying abroad, covering medical expenses, trip interruption, and other travel related issues. Annual multi-trip insurance offers coverage for multiple trips taken throughout the year. Visitor insurance provides coverage for visitors coming to the United States or other countries, including medical expenses and emergency evacuations. So that was question number 1. What are the types of insurance does Seven Corners offers? And I've given you the answer to this question. Now let's move to question number 7. How can I purchase a Seven Corners insurance policy? So, as I said earlier, if anybody watching this video from the beginning will understand or will have the answer to this question, okay? But still, I will answer this question here. So question is, how can I purchase a Seven Corners insurance policy? And the answer to this question is, you can purchase a Seven Corners insurance policy through their website, and here is how. Number 1, visit the Seven Corners website. That's step number 1. Step number 2, select the type of insurance you need. Number 3, enter your travel details and personal information. So whatever travel details is asked, you have to fill those details and your personal information as well. Number 4, review the available policy options and select the one that fits your need. Now you have to review and select the one which is right for you, which you think is perfect for you. Okay. Now, point number 5, complete the purchase process by making a payment. Okay. Now you have to make the payment. Once you finalize, okay, you have to make the payment. And how to make the payment? As I said, credit card, debit card, or the online mode of payment, right? Number 6, you will receive your policy documents via email. So once the process is completed, you will receive a confirmation policy documents via email. Okay. Now, question number 3. What is travel medical insurance and who needs it? Now, what is travel medical insurance? What is the meaning of travel medical insurance? And who are those people who need it, right? Let's get answer to this question. Now, travel medical insurance covers unexpected medical expenses while traveling internationally. It includes benefits such as hospitalization, doctor visits, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation of remains. This type of insurance is essential for anyone traveling abroad, as it ensures you are protected against high medical costs in foreign countries. That is the answer to your question number 3. Most of them have this question: what is this travel medical insurance and who needs it? Okay, I hope that you have the answer to this question now. Now, question number 4. What does trip protection insurance covers? The answer to this question is trip protection insurance covers a range of unexpected events that could disrupt your travel plans, including trip cancellation, reimbursement of non-refundable trip costs if you have to cancel for a covered reason, trip interruption, reimbursement for the unused portion of your trip, and additional transportation cost to return home. Travel delays, coverage for additional expenses occurred during the significant travel delays. Lost or delayed baggage, compensation for lost, stolen, or delayed baggage. Missed connections, coverage for additional transportation costs if you miss a connecting flight due to a covered reason. Now, let's move to question number 5, because most of the people have this question. Does Seven Corners offer insurance for students studying abroad? And the answer to this question is yes. Seven Corners offers student travel insurance, which is specifically designed for students studying abroad. It includes coverage for medical expenses, trip interruptions, emergency, medical evacuations, mental health coverage, and coverage for sports and activities. Now let's move to question number 6. What is annual multi-trip insurance? Now, what is annual multi-trip insurance, guys? If you have this question, here is the answer. Annual multi-trip insurance provides coverage for multiple trips taken within a year. It is a cost-effective solution for frequent travelers, offering the same benefits as individual trip insurance, but at a lower overall cost. Coverage typically includes medical expenses, trip interruptions, and cancellations, emergency medical evacuations, and lost or delayed baggages. So this was the answer for the question number 6. Now, question number 7. How does visitor insurance work? Now, how does visitor insurance work? Here is the answer to this question. Visitor insurance is designed for individuals visiting another country, such as the United States. It provides coverage for medical expenses, emergency medical evacuations, and repatriations of remains. This insurance ensures that visitors are protected against unexpected medical costs during their stay. Now, question number 8. What should I consider before buying a travel insurance policy? Now, here is the answer to question number 8. Before buying a travel insurance policy, consider the following. Coverage needs. Assess what kind of coverage you need based on your travel plans. For example, medical, trip protection. Policy limits. Check the coverage limits and ensure they are sufficient for your needs. Exclusions. Understand what is not covered by the policy. Pre-existing conditions. Check if pre-existing medical conditions are covered. Cost. Compare the cost of different policies to find one that fits your budget. Customer reviews. Read reviews to gauge the experience of other travelers with the insurance providers. Now, number 9. Question number 9, guys. How do I file a claim with 7 corners? Most of the people have this question, or when that time comes, they panic, they don't know what to do, right? So as I also informed you that you have to contact the customer support directly, right? But here I will answer this question to you. Question is, how do I file a claim with 7 corners? And the answer is, to file a claim with 7 corners, follow these steps. Number 1, visit the 7 corners website and navigate to the claims section. Number 2, download the appropriate claim form for your policy. Now you have to download the appropriate claim form, guys, right? Now number 3, complete the claim form with all the necessary details. Now whatever questions are asked in that claim forms, you have to fill the claim form accurately. Fill the detailed information, whatever is asked in the claim form, with all the necessary details. Number 4, gather any required supporting documents such as receipt, medical reports, and travel itineraries, guys. This is also very important. You have to gather all the required supporting documents as I informed you right now. Number 5, submit the complete claim form and documents via email, mail, or fax as instructed on the form. So it will be instructed on the form, and I have also explained you in detail, about the submission of the completed claim form, right? How to process it, how to do it. I've already explained you, and right now here also I have, we are doing a kind of revision here, right? So point number 5, I will repeat it one more time. Submit the complete claim forms and documents via email, mail or fax as instructed on the form. So you have to submit it. Number 6, follow up with 7 corners to track the status of your claim. So you have to do the follow-up with 7 corners, guys. Remember, sometimes it takes time, so you don't need to worry about it. It takes time, but once you do the follow-up, they will give you a proper reason why it's taking time, right? And once it's done, they will revert you. All right. Now, question number 10. How can I contact 7 corners for support? Okay. In this video, I've already explained you, but let me answer this question here one more time. You can contact 7 corners for support through the following methods. Phone, you can contact them through phone. Call their customer service line. You can directly call their customer service. So guys, that's all about this video tutorial. I hope that you found this video useful. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a like. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell for such informative videos. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Till then, bye.